Dear. 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 Kain na daw kayo. May ulam na. Huy. Galit yarn. Huy. Huy, dear. Ay. Mannequin pala to. Ayan, wala si... Bakit katulad kayo? Bakit kayo nag-uniform ngayon? Ang love ka ba, di ang buhok mo? Kala ko ikaw talaga. Bakit hindi mo ako ibuksan kaninang morning, dear? Kagigil ka ba? Ay, sorry. Nagalaw yung wig. Sorry po. Ayan pala si... Ano, coincidence ka? Ayo, dear. At isang araw, hindi ako nakapasok dito kasi lock. Tapos ipagalitan ka ni Renz. Dear, nasa sa labas, ginaantay ka magbukas. Ay, wala, pareho talaga kayo ng dress. Wow. Twinning yarn.
Basta ko lang siya ganun.
Basta ko lang ulo. Bilog imong ulo. Iyaha, medyo na i-shape. Said right, why I cannot give you ovals. Ovals is for? Ovals is for? School. Then you wanna have your vitamins. Okay? So what do you want to have for breakfast?
I'm going to have this water.
Oh, what?
Water.
And what else?
And the blue pit.
And?
Blue pit.
And?
And
This? And?
and
Bread. Milk.
apple.
You don't have apples, I think I need to buy. Milk or
Bread. Yogurt. Like bread now.
and for food? Bread and I'll pack the ovals for you. Bread and
But you said no ovals,
I
right?
have, but I'll pack it for you in a snack today. In your food container.
But you said no ovals, right?
Okay, ovals for you in school. Ovals for you in school.
Then for me, vegetable.
Okay po. Ovals for you, Chico. Ovals for you.
And that's a yako for me. That's a yako in school.
For you, let me see. Wow, almost finished.
Also bread in school. Also bread in school.
Also bread in school. Calvi, start deciding, please.
Also cold
Huh?
in school.
Okay, just eat your bread as is.
Also mommy at school. Also mommy at school. Also mommy
Yes po,
at
yes
school.
po, yes po.
Here and you sit there. What do I hear?
Let me check myself. Let me check it on my own. Go have your breakfast. Good morning, guys. Time check alas 6 ng umaga. And I was able to get my 8 hours sleep today. So, I'm very proud. So, maaga ako natulog kagabi talaga. Nag-airplane mode yung lola nyo. Tulog agad ako ng alas 10. And then, yung body clock ko nagigising ng 6 a.m. So, that makes it good enough for me. So, una kong ginagawa normally kapag ka-morning. Maayong buntag pala sa everyone. And sana okay ang lahat ngayong umaga. So, ang una kong ginagawa when I wake up is to turn on the music. Nagpe-play ako ng acoustic na mga worship songs for everyone in the house to start our day. And then, pag nagising na yung mga bata, I give them hugs and then I ask them for breakfast. Sila na yung namimili ng breakfast nila, pero usually, alam na nila na tinapay most of the time. Parang nadala nila yung breakfast style ng Uganda na hindi talaga makanin. Pero si auntie kasi talagang na-practice niya na kumain ng kanin during breakfast. So, merong mga, most of the days, breakfast is kanin pa din. And then after checking on the kids while they're having breakfast, parang hindi sila masyadong maglaro kasi pag nandyan ako guys, masyado silang naglalaro. So, lumalabas ako to check the paikot ng bahay, mga bintana, yung mga ganun, mga halaman. Normally, tinatouch ko yung bintana ng ganito. Chine-check ko siya kung shaky para ma-make sure ko na okay ang lahat. Yung security tsaka safety. May nagsabi pala sa akin, Madam, para mas safe kayo at ang mga anak mo, magpalagay ka naman ng CCTV. Yes. Parang iniisip ko, number one na gagawin talaga ng any parent is magpalagay ng CCTV, no? So, huwag kang mag-alala, sis. Naka-CCTV po tayo as we speak. Check ko lang yung mga bintana. Ay, sapat. So, dito may nakita ako, guys. Ito, patola ata ang tawag dito eh. Yan. Parang ako lang patola. Patola sa mga bashers at haters ko. So, yun din kinuha ni auntie yun sa nung pumunta kami last time sa may Kidapawan. Kasi, gagawin niya daw yung body scrub. Lufa. What happened? Why are you angry? Early in the morning. Why are you angry?
Because that's why you didn't come.
So, if I don't come, you're angry?
Yes, that's why you shout, Mom.
Why are you shouting?
Mom is not supposed to eat from outside.
I know. Chico, go back in.
Dogs are going to do their mouth like.
Exactly. Go. Have your breakfast first and come back outside. Okay? Finish up. Okay, you sit there.
No.
Si Chico talaga yung bantay sarado sa akin, guys. Nagising na naman siya ng mga around 3 o'clock in the morning. And of course, the first thing he does is to transfer from his bed to my bed. Sana all ka na lang talaga. And dahil lumindol nga kagabi, nagising ako, guys. Lately, no, sa pagkatapos ng parang 6.8 magnitude or 6.2 magnitude dito sa Jensan, konting kibot lang ng lindol, gising talaga ako agad. Parang na-trauma ba. Chico, close the flies. I'm just here. Close the door. There's flies. Okay? Tapos na daw siyang kumain. Gusto niyang lumabas. At mag-walking kasama ako. Kaya, kunin ko lang tsinelas niya. Come, get out. Dali. Okay. Okay, correct. That's correct. No?
And this one.
Opo, tama yan.
Alright. Just now, I'm going to touch your bedroom. Then I was worried.
Why are you worried that I'm not there?
Yes, because they thought you are not coming.
I'm coming, of course. This is our home. Right?
That's so impossible that you have to say, long to the airplane, long to come back home.
I did not go to the airplane. It's Mommy Sheena. Alright, finish your food and then I'll talk.
Because you want to see his house?
Yeah, I want to say you goodbye. Maaga pa akong nasermonan ni Calvi, guys, kasi ginising ko na siya. Wow! Ginising ko na siya. Then, good morning na ako. Nag-hugs na kami and everything. Then, unang sinabi niya, guys, Mom, it's not good to be sneaky. So, ang aga-aga ko pang nasermonan. Sabi niya, it's not good for you to go after work. You have to come back home, ask permission, and then you can go. Kailangan ko na pala mag-ask ng permission sa mga anak ko, guys. Ang bilis naman ng panahon. Dati, I can go out kapag kailangan kong lumabas. Pero ngayon, kailangan ko na magpaalam. So anyway, I was laughing. So ito nga pala yung nga ni auntie na, na lufa. Galing sa patola. Ayan. Ito kasi talaga yung gamit nila sa Uganda. Kaya na-miss niya. No? Nakita niya yung halaman. At nakita niya yung bunga. Talagang kumuha talaga siya. So, nakagawa siya ng 4 from isang prutas, isang gulay, prutas, whatever. Ay, konti na lang yung mga tanim ko. Oh, napatay pa yung iba. Medyo mainit kasi. Don't go far. It's funny when he's running.
Long time. I sing well in the stage. So,
Did you practice your song?
yes, I sing well in the stage. So, teacher sent me when the Bahai song starts. I'm going to be the first.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to to sing.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm going to watch, okay? Auntie and I are coming to watch, okay?
Okay, you're coming?
Yes.
Okay.
I will be there looking at you while singing. That sounds nice.
Mm-hmm. And from all the parents.
All the parents can come.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a parent. That means I can come. Right?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
How about
And you have
the-
you have already your white shirt, your red pants, right?
Mm-hmm. Mommy,
Hmm. Wow, thank you, Chico.
Mom, even the...
Salamat po. Evening.
Yeah.
Evening, Angelico.
Also, I'm finishing all the classmates,
Hmm.
and I go back to my classroom.
Hmm.
Ning and Chico and the other little kids
We're
are going to
also.
watch.
Wow.
Sing too.
Wow. I'm so excited to see you sing Tagalog.
Mm-hmm.
Let me
And
see.
even Chico. After.
Thanks, love. Salamat po. Ganda ng bulaklak.
Oh,
This is bulaklak. Say bulaklak. Chico, say bulaklak.
Mom, we are wrong this side. We go around the
Okay.
square.
Okay. Because Calby has a school. Let's go. Not too much walking. Chico, Calby. Calby, this one is bulaklak.
Bulaklak.
Chico?
Bulaklak.
Correct.
Eggnog.
Mm.
What's eggnog?
Eggnog is just a snack.
Yeah, I'm going to eat eggnog at school.
Po. Let me see. Salamat po.
How come Calby?
Okay.
Calby.
Salamat po.
Salamat.
Let's go.
What's this, Mom?
I think before it becomes a flower, a bulaklak, it starts like that. Mm.
Mom, this is poison.
Poison.
Yes. And this is other poison.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go with the
Kaya kay auntie
poison.
will look for Calby. He needs to go to school.
How about with the poison?
Minsan guys, ginagawa ko yung mga ganito to break the routine ba? Para hindi masyadong, hindi naman lagi-lagi, no? Just very rare, lalo na kapag weekdays. And also to make my children feel na, op, trash on the bin. Trash in the bin.
Oh. Mom,
We're not going to pollute the world like we are funny people.
Mom.
Yes?
I forgot when I finished my haircut. I thought this is a lot of books.
So, hilot ako ni Mama.
Guys, hilutin ko siya kaya ako ang kanyang beneficiary.
Gago ka talaga.
Mabuti na lang, mamatay siya guys, nakuha naman tayo. Pero naman si Peter, baka mamaya si Peter ko naman gamitin. Ay naku, maubusin si Peter ko.
Wag na sis, okay lang. Kahit na ano lang, wala naman niyang kalag. Yung katawan, pwede mo na, yung katawan, bahala ka na.
Sis, magsabi ka na dyan sa vlog kung anong i-donate mo pag mamatay ka, kaibigay natin sa mga may kailangan ni Mata.
Pwede, pwede mo kunin lahat.
Ay, sure ka?
Oo, you can use my body.
At least na kay ano ha, na kay...
May permission.
May permission ang mo yan.
Yes. Wow, oo, parang coconut na merong mint. Kasi guys, parang maaga pa ako napuno ng ano ba, yung
Bakit ano
concern.
ba lang nangyari?
Kasi, hindi ko alam ha, hindi ko to alam. Kasi si auntie pala hindi nagsusumbong sa akin na very painful na pala yung kanyang tuhod, si Auntie Christine. Ngayon, na-mention sa akin ng ibang staff namin na si auntie pala ay grabe na yung sakit sa tuhod. So sabi ko immediately nagpa-appointment ako sa doctor na specialist mismo guys ng bones. Kasi masakit daw talaga yung tuhod niya. Yes. So timing naman ngayon, nag-message ako sa mga kapatid ko. Alam niyo mga ganyan-ganyan guys, nagtatanong talaga ako sa mga kapatid ko kasi marami silang mai-refer. So ngayon may napuntahan kami ni auntie bago lang. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog nga doon guys kasi bawal yan sa hospital tsaka sa clinic. Yan, isa yan sa mga rules na kailangan nating respetuhin. So ngayon, na-meet ko yung doctor, nagkita kami, sinundo ako dito kasama ni auntie, and then pumunta kami sa doctor. Ayan, shout out sa Dr. Galagaran na specialist sa rheumatism and bones, ganun. So, nagpa-check up kami ni auntie. Mabuti na lang guys, dahil priority number yan dito sa Jensen, nakuha namin yung number 3. So, pagka-open ni Doc, hindi kami nag-antay ng matagal. So, etong sakit sa tuhod ni auntie guys, na-mention ko na to actually sa inyo way back nung nasa Uganda pa lang kami. And nung narinig ko yan kauna-unahan, mention ko na rin yan sa mga kapatid ko, in which they showed a lot of concern. Kasi, hindi naman siguro yan arthritis, sabi nila, kasi bata pa nga si auntie guys. So, during those times, we could just buy auntie medicine na ma-feel better siya. Pero all those while, nararamdaman niya talaga yung pagkirot ng kanyang tuhod. Pero lately lang talagang masakit na daw. So, nung nalaman ko sa isang staff ko na nagsabi si auntie na masakit na daw talaga yung tuhod niya, minsan kasi si auntie guys, meron siyang pusong matiisin, mahiyain. Alam niya na marami na akong iniisip. Kaya hindi niya sinasabi sa akin. Pero sinabihan ko si auntie, you should have told me, auntie. Kasi pag mga ganyan, kailangan ma-check agad.
Hindi, kasi ikaw
Diba?
talaga yung person in case of emergency.
Ay, that's true. Bakit marunong ka na mga ganyan?
Ay, alam ko talaga yung basta mga problema, alam ko yan.
So anyway guys, nagpa-check up kami. Nung time na tinawag na siya ni doktor, tinanong na kami ni Doc kung ano yung nararamdaman. So sinabi ni auntie, tuhod, ganito. Chinek na siya ni doctor talaga. Hinawakan yung mga tuhod ni auntie, kung saan yung masakit, ganito, ganyan. And then auntie gave her medical history. Wag naman tayo masyadong detailed, no? So ngayon guys, na-worry si Doc kay auntie kasi it looks like kailangan nating ma-confirm kung ano yung case mismo ni auntie. Pero it's quite a very concerning topic na, or concerning
Grabe
Kay-
ang mga panahon.
yes, concerning case namin ngayon. Sideline.
Grabe ang panahon.
So ngayon, kinausap siya ni auntie guys. Binigyan kami ni Doc ng immediate request for x-ray, immediate request for x-ray at saka immediate request for laboratory para ma-confirm yung case ni auntie. Pero anyway, I am not worried about the yung healing process, kung ano yung kailangan gawin kay auntie kasi willing naman ako. Tsaka yung mga kapatid ko guys, ang bilis nilang mag-back up kasi nag-message ako agad sa group na guys, si auntie ganito, may concern, ganyan. We need a doctor, we need lab test, we need x-ray, we need this, we need that. So si auntie medyo nag-worry ng konti kasi syempre, 'di ba, kapag may isang sakit tas hindi mo pina-check up agad, medyo kakabahan ka talaga. So ngayon ang unang gagawin namin, sinundo muna yung mga bata ay magpapa-x-ray muna si auntie guys ng kanyang left and right na tuhod. Kasi gusto nating ma-confirm either two things merong rheuma or merong arthritis. So either dyan sa dalawa. Pero regardless kung ano man yung maging resulta, I want you guys to know na we are here for auntie. Ayan, wag kayo masyadong mag-alala. We are here for auntie. We are auntie's family and auntie is our family as well. And we will do our best na maging okay. Okay? So, ngayon, ang first step natin is x-ray. Yun muna, x-ray. After ng x-ray is, meron siyang lab test, mga urinalysis.
Urinalysis.
Yung mga CBC, right? Yeah, may CBC, meron siyang blood test, meron siyang urine test, meron siyang, ano pa ba, platelet test, mga ganon. And then after that, babalik kami sa doktor para ma-confirm kung ano yung findings. Pero while we are waiting, meron si aunting gamot na binili ko kanina, which is a pain reliever na target talaga yung mga joints. At saka vitamins. Yun muna yung binili ko until na makakuha kami ng mga test ni auntie, I believe this week. Gagawin ko to guys na mabilisan para maiwasan yung mga complications at malaman natin kung ano yung pagkain na bawal. May pagkain bawal ba yan?
Sa arthritis?
Oo.
Sabi nila
If
beans
ever.
daw, munggos, ganon.
Okay.
Pero sabi ni Doc Ong, nagtingin ako ng Doc Ong, hindi daw yun connected.
Oh.
Beans.
So, nagtataka siguro kayo bakit ako nagpapahilot, guys. Siguro sa dami ng concern ko ngayong umaga, umakyat yung pagod ba dito sa may leeg.
Stress
So,
yan.
nakita ng kapatid ko na gumaganon na ako, nagaano na ako. Tapos hindi niya na ako masyadong mautusan, makakausap, matanong. Kasi nga, masakit yung likod ko tsaka yung bato ko. So, yung stress, guys, umakyat. Ayan. So, pinahilot ko muna sa
Ganyan
kanya.
talaga yan sis, pag walang pera. Kasi di ba kung may problema tapos may pera ka, hindi ka man stress, di
Oo,
ba?
totoo. Kasi pwede man tayong...
Pera, kawawa ka naman.
Kasi pwede man tayong mag-shopping. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, pakihilot na lang kasi yan lang yung aking
ito,
ano.
Bath and Body Works, may nakalagay stress relief. Okay, ito ang ginamit ko sa'yo.
Tapos,
1,450 lang.
nakalista. Walang iya.
Yes, ang
Akala ko libre. Nakalista
Maraming akong na-apply,
pala.
ha, malugi na ang kumpanya.
I-apply niya pala guys. May bayad pala to. Akala ko concerned citizen.
300 pa ang massage ko.
Oh.
CEO ang nag-massage sa'yo. Feeling
Oo.
ka.
CEO ng Glowtic Company guys. Kasi talagang, pag ganun ng kapatid ko,
Ay,
maraming
mainit ang batok mo sis. Feeling ko high blood ka talaga.
magpa-check up daw ako guys. Kaya
Check
feeling
up
niya high
ka,
blood daw
ay
ako.
baka na. Kung ikaw atakin, mag-iwi yung baba mo. Hindi na magpasok ang rice. Kasi ganyan na guys.
So, magpapa-check up kami mamaya. Pero sa ngayon si auntie muna guys. Ganun talaga. Normal lang talaga yung mga ganito, no? Pero, ang maganda
Okay, Ma'am Dan.
ang maganda magpa-check up tayo agad para maagapan natin yung mga ganyan. Pero, for me, what I'm thinking right now is of course for the best of auntie's case. Sabi ko nga kay auntie, huwag kang matakot kasi kasi sabi ng doktor sa akin, case worst comes to worst, kapag hindi daw yan talaga nagamot, ay talagang baka ikapahamak pa ni auntie. So, ayoko na umabot sa ganyang point. So, gagamutin talaga natin. Don't worry guys, kasi ngayon nakapagbenta po ako. Maraming salamat sa bumili. Ayan, ngayon may benta ako nakabenta ako ng 18 karat na Saudi gold. Ang aking customer ay galing sa abroad. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na i-shoutout yung name. Baka mamaya ma-hold up nyo pa yan eh. Pagalitan pa ako. Basta mga loyal customers ko, maraming salamat po. At alam nyo guys, yung prayers namin magkakapatid no sa aming pagnenegosyo at pagbebenta-benta, lagi kaming nagsasabi na Lord, sana makabenta kami today kasi you know naman the intentions of our heart, hindi naman po kami madamot, pangbayad lang naman po to sa utang, mga ganun, or pang ano lang naman to Dok, pang shisha, pang ano lang naman to Lord pang shisha, pang tawid gutom ba. Pero anyway, there's a lot of reasons why we work so hard and we know that we are on the right path. We are not those kind of people na eto guys ha, hindi ko alam ha, hindi ko to sinasabi for my sake, but you can also ask the people around us. Kami magkakapatid, hindi talaga kami madamot kasi we grew up in a hard way. We know how it feels na walang-wala. We know how it feels na hindi maka-experience ng mga bagay-bagay sa buhay. Kaya alam namin yan. Kaya lang prayers namin, minsan tinatawanan na lang namin sa umaga. Lord, please, sana makabenta po ako ngayong araw. Kasi alam mo naman po yung intention ng puso ko. Hindi naman po ito pang masamang bagay. So far so good. Alhamdulillah, nakabenta po ako. Masaya ako at least makatulong sa gastusin namin. And for auntie's situation, it's okay. We are going to find the best possible way para ma-cure kung ano man yung dapat nating i-cure. Okay. I want to take a video. You're so proud of your brother. Look. At mami. Sitaw. Atani. That's how the teacher said. You have to do like this.
Singing, dancing too.
Dancing too? I'm so excited. Pinay ng drive. Bye. See you tomorrow. Say bye-bye, ingat.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Drive safe po.
Almost spider. Here. The wall.
It's okay.
Dako na.
Yellow
Bye.
spider. Chuka bahay ko po.
Lock the door. There's a witch coming. Lock the door.
Is it closed?
Your turn. 2, 1, go!
Bahay ko po. Kahit munti. Ang halaman doon. Ay, sorry. Singkaman at talong. Legules at maning. Wait, I forgot.
Ingat. Okay, where are we now? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Bahay ko po. Kahit munti. Wait, I forgot to dance.
Okay.
Bahay ko po. Kahit munti. Ang halaman doon. Ay, sorry. Singkaman at talong. Legules at maning.
Wow! puno ng... Yay! Good morning, guys. Pasok ang mga resourceful na nanay. Wala kaming panyo para sa kanilang yung panyo na ilalagay sa liig. Happy buwan ng wika nga pala sa lahat at ngayon ay buwan ng wika celebration ng mga anak ko sa paaralan. At kita nyo naman, prepared na ang kanilang mga costume. Pero kulang lang kami guys ng panyo sa liig. Hindi na talaga nakahanap ang inyong inahin. Kaya to the rescue na naman yung lola. Yun yung maganda eh, resourceful nakahanap si mama ng eco bag na pula, pwede na. Kasya na kay Chico tsaka kay Calvi yan guys. Hindi kasi pwedeng walang costume ang mga bata natin. Kalingan mo mother. Nag-practice sila kagabi ng bahay kubo. Yan natin dito na side. And dito na side is si Mayumi. Andito pala si Mayumi. Andito pala ang bagong gising na si Mayumi. Mayumi. Hi, Yumi, anak. Is your finger better? Let me see. Wow! Oh, wow! The finger is better! Good morning, anak. Calvi. Chico. Calvi. Chico. Time to go to school. You're going to sing Bahay Kubo. Good morning. Aju. Let's go. Time for breakfast. Then shower and change to your Bahay Kubo clothes. Ayun na. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Calvi. Today you're a farmer. Oh. Let's go. Hi. Chico, let's go. Ay na, Dong. Asa ka, Dong? Mag-harvest patag gulay, Dong. Asa sila? Wow, so handsome. Sige, masulod sa ako. Auntie, let's go. Ay, big boy, sorry po. Wow. Ganda naman ng mga costume. And Chico also looks so smart. Let me see. Wow. You dance okay and sing loudly, okay? And your eco bag. The eco bag needs to be good like that. Very nice. Okay, Auntie, you have to say happy buwan ng wika. Masaya. Masayang buwan ng wika. It's language month. So our language is Filipino. So that's what this is all about. So people are supposed to wear Filipino traditional dresses like what you saw when they passed by here. And the kids' costume is the traditional farmer costume.
Because I saw they were even carrying food.
Yeah, those are traditional rice cakes, remember?
Yeah.
You see, this is traditional Filipino costume. Wow, you see? Even has an umbrella. Alright guys, natin na namin ni Auntie ang mga bata sa school for today's program, Buwan ng Wika. And Auntie and I are going to get traditional food. Yes, because the teacher asked na yung mga bata magdala ng traditional food, Filipino food para i-celebrate yung Buwan ng Wika. So bibili tayo dito sa Yoli's. You see, Auntie? This store has been there since we were like this. Yeah. And it's still here. Let's go get some food, guys. Tara. Grabe guys, ang daming tao ngayon talaga pakyawan ng mga kakanin dito sa Yoli's. Arigang langga to 80 Ay, sorry. Alright, so Auntie, look at this one. I got puto. This is puto. Then I got maha. Then I got coconut something, I forgot the name. And then I got cassava cake. Auntie, you see how busy inside? in celebrations like this, it's very hard. It's very this shop is always full. They won't even sleep. Even Christmas, that's how busy it is. And people likes to get that basket. You see that basket? We call it bilao. Yeah, bilao is like a flat basket with a lot of different kinds of these ones. But since they are lining up and it's crazy, we will get this and go. Tumakbo ako saglit dito sa Hime Salon Jensan ulit. Alam nyo naman ang mga go-to places natin. Dahil sobrang lagkit po ng ulo ko, I feel na pwedeng magprito ng tuyo. Ganon siya kalagkit. Kasi guys, nagpahilot po ako, nagpamassage ako, and then I did some ventosa. Kasi merong nagsuggest sa akin na that's a good way to release yung mga excess ng mga hangin, panuhot, and mga urim-urim dala sa ating mga katawan. Nakapagbisaya tayo nang wala sa oras. Anyway, binawaran ako maligo ng isang araw lang naman. But today is very special for my children kasi magpe-perform sila sa stage. Stage mother yan. Alangan naman, 'di ba? So, sobrang excited si Calvi and Chico. They did practice like last night. Nakita nyo naman sa video natin kanina. Nag-rehearse na yung dalawa guys. Sobrang excited nila. And I promised them I'm going to be there. And Calvi was so excited last night nang sinabi ko na pupunta kami ni Auntie Christine. Pero, I am hoping that Auntie will finish her transactions with Philippine Health Office dito sa Jensan para makapunta kami pareho. Pero if not, ako na lang yung pupunta guys. Wala nga akong costume dito. Sana pasado na tong damit ko. And then magpapa-blow dry lang tayo para hindi naman masyadong yung oily natin ng mga buhok. Ako guys, very oily kasi yung scalp ko eh. So hindi ako pwedeng pwede na hindi maligo after at least maximum ko sana 2 days bago maligo. I mean bago hugasan or shampoohan yung buhok. Kasi pag masyado naman siyang shampoohan araw-araw, magiging very dry. So tumakbo na ako dito sa Hime Salon. Maraming salamat nga pala. Shout out kay Ma'am Princess, ang owner ng kanilang salon dito na Hime. Of course, ang kanilang senior hairstylist kay Sir Alfred na late po siya. Papagalitan ko siya mamaya. Hindi, joke lang guys. 8:30 pa yung start. Kaso alas 6 nandito na ako. So magpapa-shampoo muna tayo. Ayan si ate. Shout out. Thank you. Shampoohan mo, te. Pakitanggal ng mga negative vibes. Tanggalin mo lahat yung mga sukob dyan sa ulo ko. Alright guys. Shampoo lang ako ng 20 minutes. I mean, magpa-shampoo lang tayo ng around 5 minutes and then pa-blow dry. Yun lang.
Sabi mo kanina, hindi ka Pilipino, hindi ka marunong, kumala ka magaling mo. Hindi ka bigyan ng isa sa mga nag-Pilipino. Pagpapaningin mo, congratulations!
Naunsa? Ben, tingin ako ng damit mo. Tingin ako ng damit mo. Wow. Turn around. One turn around. Yeah, murag yung kag si Madam Ten Gibbs ba?
Madam Ten Gibbs sa maliit.
Aling Muning. Ikaw yun, Aling Muning ba?